And believe it or not, just betting a buck, because I wanted to see what the amounts would be of the dollar, how low they'd go. And look what I hit. Unbelievable. I can't believe I hit a dollar bet on this slot, because you see from the other videos what I was getting betting $1.50. So let's hope this is a really super one. Wow, come on baby, keep this up. This is a Cosmopolitan, of course. Wow, come on. Oh, $1 bet, unbelievable. Oh, great bonus, fabulous. That is a fabulous bonus, $1 bet, guys. I am really happy. That one deserves the coin show for sure. Look at those amounts on the dollar bet. I guess I should fool around with my bets more often. Go from 50 to a buck to $1.50 to $2.50, because it sure paid off this time with the buck. I'm loving this lightning link slots here. Here at Cosmo.